Our main goal was to bring together a community of Gateway instructors from diverse STEM disciplines to share their ideas and experiences in their classrooms and also learn about data-driven approaches to making changes in their classrooms. We had a theme each month largely focused on data, so trends from the literature or data collected from their own classrooms. And we would get together and either discuss papers or discuss the greater trends across all of their courses or from within their own courses.
The thing about this faculty learning community is that it was full of people who really love to teach and spend a lot of time and energy working on that. And they don't always have time to collect data, analyze data, and then discuss it with a collaborative group. So what was great about this project is that we were able to help them collect data from their students. We were able to analyze it in a consistent way. So all of a sudden, a biology course could compare their data with a chemistry course, and a computer science course, and an economics course. And the common language would be the data and how students what concerns they had, how they were interacting, and how collectively this group of faculty could help them. So we took away a lot of the silos of being in a specific department and made the common language data-driven teaching changes. This provided them an opportunity to come into a meeting, look at data, talk to each other, and solve problems together in a way that wouldn't have been possible given all the constraints of the semester.
A lot of times we're kind of very siloed and, this is the way we think about a course because it's a science class. But by interacting with people from across the university, I was able to see these different perspectives, and I came up with some different ways to approach things that I might not have thought to engage in before.
There were several different innovations that came out of this project. One of our research papers has focused on the different types of things that faculty talk about on the first day, whether that's sharing strategies for success or talking about the teaching practices that they're going to be using at the beginning of the semester. And faculty have been able to think critically about their goals and approaches the first day.
Collectively, we've all written an essay together about common questions students have at the beginning of the class and how to address it. And it's pretty exciting because the essay includes 25 co-authors, which is a great testament to the community.
And while we always had great information for the students on that first day, we really started to target it and address those items that we learned were of great student concern. So before we were telling them what we thought was important, but we used student data to address what they thought was important.
The faculty started to use each other as resources. So they would be able to bring not only things that were working well in their class, but things that they were struggling with and solve problems for each other. And it took them out of their departments and into this broader space where what they had in common was that they really loved to teach and that they could all benefit from each other.
Faculty have made changes for their strategies and how they introduce their courses to students that I think hopefully are only making their already great courses even better for students and really helping open communication between faculty and their students in their Gateway courses.